Alright, guys, what's going on? How's everybody doing? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Glad you're here. Welcome back. And if it's your first time here, make sure you go down there and like and subscribe. Or if it's like your second or third time there and you haven't liked or subscribed, what are you waiting for, man? Just do it already, bruh. I spy with my little eye 6 up. I see a little copper. These cool fools, they don't want to roll up. All they want is some donuts. So why you keep looking? I love Biggie. Biggie or Tupac, guys? Biggie or Tupac? Who do you like? I'm a Biggie guy myself. Honestly, I don't think you should really have to choose between the two, but if I have to, it's Biggie. Alright, he's going straight, so that means I'm turning. Slug bug. Love this bike. She's just a hoot. I need to take that plate off the back or put a sticker over it or something. Second gear wheelies are fun because like it'll stay low just chilling, and then you hit that power band and it like comes back up. It's crazy. It's nice. Second gear is a weird power band. It's great for when you're cruising around, but I'm not gonna lie, when you're hitting canyons and stuff, like I don't really like second gear because at the top end I feel like there's no pull. So like if I'm coming out of a corner and I'm in second gear and I'm revved up, sorry, I'm losing tape on this, I need to fix my camera. I feel like there's no I feel like there's just no pull, like I'm out of torque. So a lot of times I like to be in third gear. I'd rather be a gear high. It just feels like it has like just more drive out of the corner that way. I mean, I feel like a lot of bikes are like that though, so I don't know. It's not a big complaint. That's just like my main complaint about the bike. It was like that before I had Alex tune it. After the tune, it's a little bit better, but it's still there. You notice it. What do we got here? We got a Coyote. Oh, it says 5.0. What you got, buddy? Does he want it? Hopefully he's got good brakes. He's a Mustang driver. That kid's cool. He's cool in my book, man. He's cool in my book, dog. What's up, man? You done anything to it?
Nah, nothing's done to it, bro. It just lowered and then that's it.
Is it Coyote or what?
Yeah, it's Coyote.
That's sick, bro.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Have a good day, man.
Bye.
Be safe, dog. How you doing, sir? He gave me the head nod. He approves. Someone was telling me the other day they're wearing a Triumph shirt, and somebody on the street was kind of like assaulting them and talking trash to them because they thought it was a Trump shirt. Man, where these trucks go? Those some nice cars. Probably going to Chewy's, I bet. Does anybody remember the Great Poupon thing? Any cops? Even if there was a cop, that doesn't count as a wheelie. Oh, there's a cop right in front of me. Shoot. GPS check radio. What's that on the back? Check it out. I get nervous being around the cops. I don't know why. I'm not doing nothing wrong. It took me a long time to stop actually getting nervous, like driving and stuff. Like, I used to always ride dirty, this, that, and the other, or just always getting into trouble. It took a long time to like get comfortable whenever there's a cop around me. But nowadays, you know, like, besides getting a ticket here or there, I don't really have any bad experiences with them. I mean, it's not like I didn't deserve it. I secured the bag. I have 30 minutes to go home and eat because your boy's intermittent fasting right now. I have an 8-hour window during the day of which I'm allowed to eat. I can eat between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. That's like the best time period for me, seeing as how like my hours of work and stuff like that, and I don't want to eat at night and stuff anymore. We'll see what kind of shenanigans we can get into on the way home, though. I hope I don't fumble the bag. I really, really want it. I got 19 minutes to get home and eat. Good news is I'm not far from home. And I'm on the fastest beast in the world. I'm just kidding. She's the third fastest. My wife's the first fastest. Oh yeah. Alright guys, appreciate y'all. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna eat. Bye.